How to download and install Farlight 84 on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you're looking to download the Farlight 84 app on your Android device or iOS device, you've come to the right place, so let's get started. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, whether you are using a smartphone, tablet or iPad, and then launch open Google Play Store or App Store. Now go to the search bar and type in Farlight 84. From the search result that appears on the screen, look for this game from Farlight and tap on the install button or the get button to begin downloading the app on your device. If you're using iOS, then you'll need to go ahead and authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. Now as soon as the game starts the downloading process, wait for it to complete. It'll take a while depending upon your internet speed. So make sure you have the stable internet connection and also make sure you have enough storage space on your device. Once the download is complete, you can launch open the application and get started with the game. Open the game and get ready to explore the battlefield, team up with friends and enjoy the fast-paced action. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.